Alright, so we got a flag and we got this fire going. Alright, so Brayden's gonna put some hand sanitizer on a fire.
Hello guys, Braydensurvivez here, also known as the Bush Sniper. Today's video, I am here joined by Tristan.
It's my channel. Alright, so basically we're doing some airsoft today. We're ready to go.
Yeah.
Let's freaking get started, dude.
What are you doing, step bro?
Got him.
Slide down the hill. This is my car. Slide.
That's how you do airsoft. Oh my gosh. I wasn't standing on the hill. Rules change.
Do that.
Rules change.
What did you do?